Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for joining me for a class today. Now I have got a killer 10-minute core workout for you. If you just need a quick little session to really turn on the center of your body, give yourself a nice little workout there to maybe help with our posture, this is a good one. It is not easy though, so get ready, roll out your mat, and let's get going. Okay, before we start our lovely little ab set, we are going to stretch the neck a little bit and just give some attention up there, because oftentimes when we do a lot of core work, we can kind of tense up through the neck. So it's nice to give ourselves a little break up here. Sit up tall and straight. Before we go anywhere, let's set ourselves up. Pull the navel into the spine. Think about a belt around the small of your waist, lightly getting one notch tighter, and then lift out of the waist a little bit more. Broaden across the chest. Inhale, let your shoulders rise up. Exhale, let them fall down. Inhale, let the shoulders rise up. Exhale, let them fall down. One more time up. Bring them down and then reverse. And make it a nice purposeful circle of the shoulder, taking them as far forward, down, and around as you can. And then go ahead and pause center. Sit up taller and straighter once more. Reach your left hand away and actively flex the hand and drop your ear towards your shoulder. Press down into the heel of the hand, pressing the left shoulder further away, lifting the left ear up. And a couple of times I want you to turn your nose down towards your shoulder and then look forward. Again, turn the nose down and look forward. Last one, down. Look forward, pause, take a breath. Relax the hand, roll your chin to chest, stay right there. Bring your gaze back up. Same thing, other side. Hand reaches out and away, flexing the hand. Drop the left ear to left shoulder. My right shoulder is pressing down, my right ear is lifting up. I'm finding that great big stretch there. And a couple of times, slow and steady, and you might do a few more or a few less than I do, it's okay. You might even find that it feels nice to just point the nose down and hold, or keep the movement continuous. No hurry, no rush. Eventually look forward again, take a breath. Relax the hand, roll the chin to chest, keep it there. Bring yourself up. All right. From here, I want you to take your feet out in front of you. Take your hands behind your thighs and almost hug your legs into your chest while you actively stamp down into the floor with your heels. Take a big, full inhale. As you exhale, let yourself slide off your sitting bones, dropping down into a little C curve. Elbows are wide, shoulders are broad. Take a breath, cinch the waist, pull yourself all the way up, lift tall and straight. Again, tip back, pause, lightly drop that chin to the chest, and then roll yourself up. Two more just like that. Tip back, roll down, pause, pull it on up. Now this last time, tip back, round, and pause. Hold right there. Bring your gaze straight up. Hollow the stomach a little bit more. Cinch the waist like your belt got one notch tighter. Keep everything in the body exactly the same, except now we're going to release our hands out and away. Press down into an imaginary table underneath your palms and slide the fingers a little bit further forward. Tone the tummy a little bit more. If you need some help and you have a small stability ball at home, this is a great place to support the low back if you want to use that. From here, take a big, deep inhale. As you exhale, flip the palms up to the sky, rotating from underneath the armpits. Big, deep inhale again. Exhale, pull your right elbow back behind you. Inhale, reach it forward. Exhale, pull the left elbow back behind you. Inhale, reach it forward. Back and forth. Exhale, pull, inhale, extend. Exhale, pull, inhale, extend. 3 more on each side. No hurry, no rush. 2 more. Last set, right and left. Last one. Hold right there, reach a little longer through the fingers, tip back just a little bit more, hollow the stomach even more. Inhale, slide the fingers open. Exhale, pull the fingers together. Slide the hands open. Exhale, pull the pinkies together. 3 more. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. 2 more, inhale, open, exhale, close. Last one, open, close it in, pause, take a breath, roll yourself all the way up to a seat. Hands behind the thighs, sit tall, sit straight again, take a breath. Tip back off the pelvis and rock down into that Pilates C curve again. This time, big deep inhale, big breath out. Take your hands to a prayer in front of you. Press them towards one another. Shoot your fingertips a little further back. Hollow the stomach a little more. Inhale, lift your prayer up. Exhale, bring it to the right side of your knees. Bring your hands up. Exhale, bring it to the left side. Now, as we go back and forth, I want you to keep the knees and feet still. Don't let them knock side to side. This should happen. This little movement comes from the belly button, twist down. Inhale, hands up, exhale, twist down. Inhale, hands up, exhale, twist. Inhale, up, exhale, twist. Last one, twist right, pause. Hold right there, reach your fingers further away. Think about sinking back a little bit more. Inhale, slide your hand open, look behind you. Exhale, close the hands together. Inhale, slide the hand open, look behind you. Exhale, close it together. 3 more, open, exhale, close. 2 more, open, exhale, close. Last one, open, close, pause, take a big breath. Inhale, lift, exhale, to the left we go. Slide the left hand back, exhale, bring it in. Inhale, open, exhale, tone and close. Keep thinking about cinching the waist, hollowing the stomach. Are your knees or low body moving? I hope not. Keep it in place. 2 more, open, exhale, close. Last one, open, exhale, close, pause, both hands lift up, drop them straight in front of you, roll yourself up. Keep the hands right in place, press down into your feet. We're gonna lower all the way onto our back on a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Go ahead, bend the knees, lightly press the small of the back into the ground, elongate the right leg. If we have more of a neutral spine than an imprint, not the end of the world, but I am trying to lightly imprint the spine. Press deeper into your left foot on the floor, hover your right leg about 2 inches away. Now really do imprint the spine if it wasn't already before. Flex the foot, send the heel further away. Take a big, deep breath in. Exhale, tone the tummy, lift the foot up. Inhale, drop the foot down. Exhale, cinch the face, lift the foot up. Inhale, down. I said cinch the face. I meant cinch the waist, lift the foot up. 2 more down. Exhale, lift. Last one, hover it there. Exhale, lift, pause. Set that foot on the ground, stomp into the earth. Feel your right side body activate as you elongate the left. And then, well, like we did before, hover it up, finding that place where you can imprint. You can feel your low back touch the mat. Big inhale, exhale, foot lifts. Think of this movement starting first from the stomach. Exhale, tone the tummy, lift. It's like our stomach goes and then the leg continues. Again, cinch the waist, lift the foot. Last one, cinch the waist, lift the foot, hold, set it down. Now from here, I want us to reach our right foot up. Keep it there. Bring the left to meet the right. Keep both feet actively lifting up to the sky, and we're going to drop our foot down to that hovering height. Exhale, tone the tummy, lift. Just the right foot goes right now. Inhale, down, hover, exhale, lift. Now again, we should be using our abdominal muscles first. That big exhale tones the tummy, lift the foot up. Only go so far down your low back does not pop off the mat. Last one, inhale down, exhale, lift, left foot. Drop the heel down, exhale, lift it back up. Keep reaching long through the back of the legs. Reach your heels up, pull your toes to your face. 3 more down, exhale, lift. 2 more down, exhale, lift. Last one, lift, pause. Seal the inner thighs together. Feel your lumbar spine touch the ground. Draw the ribs in. Both heels down, both heels lift. Now you'll notice I'm not taking my legs as low as I did before, and that's so I can maintain my low back touching the mat. It's not about how low our legs go, it's keeping our muscles in control. Inhale, both heels down, exhale, tone and lift. And so if that means you only drop them about 5 inches away from your starting spot, that's okay. Last one down, exhale, lift, pause, take a big breath, set the feet on the floor, lift into a bridge pose, pause for just a moment, squeeze your thought, roll the shoulders back, point your nose straight up to the sky, take a big inhale, roll all the way down to the ground. Pull your knees into your chest, give yourself a great big hug, a great big squeeze, rock and roll all the way back up to a seat. And then one more time, hands behind the thighs, shoulders back, sit tall, sit straight, take a big breath, tip yourself back, hold right there, hug underneath your thigh, take an inhale, pick up your right leg, keep the right leg in place, pick up the left leg. If we need to set one leg down, that's okay, but otherwise hollow the stomach. It's that same shape we were in before, trying to lightly reach the small of our back down, finding that C curve. If we need to keep our hands behind our thighs, that's okay. If we can slide them open, that's awesome too. Like we did earlier, flip the palms up to the sky. Take a great big inhale. Exhale, try and touch the pinkies. Inhale, open them away. Exhale, hollow the stomach, touch the pinkies. Inhale, reach them away. 3 more, touch the pinkies. Send them on out. 2 more, touch the pinkies. Send them on out. Last one, hold. Flip the palms, find your little prayer. Inhale, hands lift, exhale to the right side of the knee. Inhale, hands lift, exhale, left side of the knee. 3 more, side to side, no hurry, no rush. You can always go a little slower than I do. Going slower usually means it's a little bit harder. You can always pause if you need to. Last set, inhale up, exhale to the right. Last one, inhale up, exhale to the left. Now go to the right, pause. 5 times, open the hand, exhale, twist and close. Inhale, open the hand, exhale, twist and close. 3 more, open, exhale, twist and close. 2 more, open, exhale, twist and close. Last one, twist, close, pause, up, over to the left. We slide it open and we close. Keep drawing your inner thighs towards each other. Keep pulling your knees towards your chest, hollowing the stomach. You are doing fabulous. Last one, open, exhale, close, pause, up. Bring it center, take an easy seat. Hands to thighs, sit tall, sit straight. Belly button in. Roll the shoulders like we started class. Other direction. Pause, sit a little taller, belly button in. As always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I hope you enjoyed our very short little ab workout today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.